the fuck at work. I left a little bit late. Oh my god, there's a fucking cop! No! It smells like bacon! Oh, he's on the 125, let's go. Turn on this motherfucking EC. Get nice and cool in it, bitch. And we're at work. Bye, guys.